What if a poor girl who cleaned the house all day suddenly got the chance to attend the most magical royal ball in the kingdom?
But there was one problem. The magic would disappear at midnight.
Let's discover the magical story of Cinderella and see if her dream really comes true. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe for more magical stories.
Hello, little stars. Welcome to Light Series Children's Story Stop, where little stories shine bright. Get comfy, get cozy, and open your heart, because today's story is going to be amazing. Let's begin.
Cinderella. Long ago, in a peaceful kingdom far away, there lived a kind and gentle girl named Cinderella. One day, Cinderella's father married a woman who had 2 daughters. Sadly, they were not kind at all.
Father, safe trip. I will miss you.
I will miss you too. Your stepmom will take good care of you.
Cinderella's stepmother approached
Now
her.
that your father has traveled far away, you assume the duty of a house help serving me and my daughters.
While Cinderella worked hard, her stepsisters spent their time laughing, eating, and wearing fancy dresses.
Every day she cleaned, cooked, and scrubbed the floors.
I am here to enjoy with my daughters.
Cinderella was made to do all the chores in the house while the stepmother and her daughters gallivant around.
But Cinderella was never alone. Her tiny animal friends loved her kindness and always stayed close. One exciting morning, a royal messenger arrived with very big news.
Hear ye! Hear ye! The prince is inviting everyone to a grand royal ball tonight.
The stepsisters were thrilled. They quickly began choosing their most beautiful dresses.
The prince must pick me tonight.
Cinderella politely asked her stepmother if she could go to the ball too. The stepmother said coldly,
If you wish to go, you must first complete every task on this list.
Cinderella dreamed of going to the ball too.
We must not be late.
Okay, let's go.
They kept on chatting in excitement as they go.
Wow, this is so exciting. I know, I can't wait.
Alone in the quiet garden, Cinderella could not hold back her tears. She cried freely, thinking of the party. Suddenly, a warm voice spoke. Cinderella turned around and saw a magical fairy standing behind her.
The Fairy Godmother smiled kindly and lifted her wand. Magic began to fill the air.
With a wave of magic, a simple pumpkin turned into a shining golden carriage. The tiny mice magically became strong horses ready to pull the carriage. Then Cinderella's old dress shimmered and changed into a beautiful, sparkling ball gown. Finally, the Fairy Godmother placed magical glass slippers on Cinderella's feet.
There, my dear. Perfect. But remember, the magic will disappear when the clock strikes midnight.
It's the most beautiful carriage. Go well, dearest.
Soon, Cinderella arrived at the Grand Royal Palace, stepping out in confidence.
You are so beautiful. Can I dance with you?
They danced together happily all evening. But suddenly, the clock began to strike midnight. Cinderella disengaged from the prince and began to run. Cinderella ran quickly down the palace stairs before the magic disappeared, and suddenly one of her glass slippers fell on the stairs. Good. At least I can use this shoe to find the owner. Cinderella got home on time, transformed back to her normal dress. She went straight to the kitchen to start sweeping, cooking, and washing dishes.
Oh, I'm simply fagged out. Me too, yawning all the way back. My feet are killing me. Oh, Cinderella, you missed the most amazing night. There was a beautiful princess at the palace. She was so elegant that everyone stopped to look at her. The prince danced with her the whole night. He did not even look at anyone else. But suddenly she disappeared when the clock struck midnight.
The sisters kept talking and wondering who the mysterious girl could be. Cinderella does her sweeping quietly, smiling softly, because she knew the secret they did not know. The next morning, the prince made a very important decision. Holding a glass slipper in my hand, I have decided I will find her. I will search the entire kingdom to find the girl whose foot fits this slipper. So the prince and his royal guards began their journey. They traveled through busy towns, quiet villages, and beautiful countryside roads.
In every house, the royal messenger knocked on the door and announced, "By order of the prince, every young lady must try on the glass slipper."
Still, the prince did not give up. He believed that somewhere in the kingdom, the mysterious girl he had danced with was waiting.
The royal messenger knocked loudly on the door and announced, "By order of the prince, every young lady in the kingdom must try on this glass slipper."
Cinderella's stepsisters came out gorgeously to test the slippers.
This will definitely fit my leg.
It should be my size. It's not going on!
The prince beckoned Cinderella to try the shoe, without knowing she was the one he danced with.
My prince, ignore her. She is only a maid.
This fits perfectly. May I have the honor?
Yes, my prince.
Cinderella got married to the prince and they lived happily ever after. Remember, children, kindness, patience, and a good heart can make your dreams come true, just like Cinderella. We hope you enjoyed this story, brought to you by Light Series. Subscribe for more cozy bedtime stories and sweet dreams.
Good night, sweet dreams, and we'll see you in the next story.
Don't forget to subscribe to our stories every time.